I am shocked personally at what we are doing to our country. Right from what you're seeing here, the counterfeit sugar, the adulteration of fuel that is going on in some, that happened in some parts of our country, the level of criminality involved is mind-boggling. That we can do this, that there are people in our society who live this way, who make their money by moving around goods that they know for sure are poisonous, are injurious to our health. And our teams have conducted the necessary surveys, the necessary scientific study of what we have collected. And I want to be frank with the people of Kenya that we have to change the way we live, and we have to tell some of our colleagues we can no longer live this way. We are not going to be polite about this. When you are distributing chemicals, you are selling Kenyans poison that you are purporting to be sugar, and you're making money out of it, you are engaged in murder on a mass scale. And this white-collar crime has continued in our country for a long time. We have firm and clear instructions from the President. And I am here first to assure my colleagues and the DCI that you have the President's 100% support. I am under firm instructions from the President to accord you maximum support in terms of budget resources, in terms of institutional support. And my role as the President's Program Officer in charge of this particular sector of our government, I am here to assure you, we will go the whole hog. I want to tell those who have been engaging in this, because we have sufficient information, some of you, we are coming for you. But if you know you have been doing some of this, you know you are running factories that are doing this, you probably need to do good to yourself by turning yourself up before we arrive. Because we will.